What we have here is our razor blade handle and our razor blades. We have the wooden handle on this blade. This is called a swing lock, and what this does is it clamps down to hold the two blades together that holds the razor in to keep your blade from moving as you go through your shave. I'm going to show you how to put the blade in the swing lock razor. So this method right here is the best way if you don't feel like using the method that we'll show you next. You go ahead and place this in there with the two notches on there into the big piece. Slide that down, put the lock on there. It'll hold the blade in place as you shave. Once that blade gets dull, you slide the clasp up, flip the blade around, use the other side of the razor, and keep it going. Now the other thing that you can do is actually snap this blade in half. It's recommended that you actually do it while it's still in the paper, but for demonstration purposes, I'll show you how to do it outside the paper. So you would go ahead and bend it, and you would hear the little snap. This allows you to have the two blades now. You can put that in there the same way. Put it into the holes. Swing the lock down. Swing the clamp down to hold it in place, and then swing the lock down. And you would shave the same way. To remove it, put your finger in there, lift that piece up, take that out when it's time to replace, and put the other part of the blade in there. That also saves you money on buying new razor blades. Instead of with using one side and throwing it away, you still have both sides to use, and you use it out the same way. And that is how you put the swing lock razor blade together. Get you a nice close shave and move on from there.